Okay, so if you want to write, we want to graph the parabola here on 11, so we need to graph the original function, right? Y equal x squared plus 5. All right, but you guys have to understand this is cleaned up, right? It's abbreviated, so ones and zeros are implied. So you have to understand this is really your vertex form. A is 1, H is 0, K is 5. So there's my vertex 0, 5. You go up 1, down 1, up 2, down 2. You're going to get symmetry, right, with your output. And then you just throw that into the calculator, right? 2 squared plus 5, there's 9. 1, right, there's your 6. Okay, so if we plot it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here's my parabola. This is my function. Like I'm getting a bit, okay, and so now we're going to put the rational function. Now we graphed it on Desmos, so we know what it looks like. We know it's going to come over here. Okay, if you see your table, which some of you understood it because you did that for one of these, some of you already jumped to it. Okay, if this is the function table and I want an inverse function table, you already had a worksheet where you switch the points. So this is 2, 9. What's the point on the inverse function? What's the point? Huh? What? Yeah, you guys are whispers. Okay, 9, 2. And then this one is what? Yeah. So 6, 1, 5, 0, 6, negative 1, 9, negative 2. It's like Will Ferrell in that Elf. I like to whisper too. Okay, so there's your point. So if you guys can graph the, and this is why when you guys take your quiz or you guys take the test and you happen to get stuck, or maybe you do something wrong inversely, like algebraically inversely, once you get your original function, if you know how to graph it, you can simply just switch the points and come up with the graph. It's just now you have to prove that your algebra is correct, right? You got to have the steps to come up with the inverse function. So now you just plot the points. So now it's 9, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 5, 0. And so, yeah, we were just barely able to get the positive and the negative. So this is the inverse function, but remember, this one's the positive one and this one's the negative rational function, right? Because we got 2 of them. You had a positive and a negative. So that is your parabola and your rational, and their inverse functions of each other. And then you will do 12. So I do 11, you do 12. Okay, so stop the video. Okay. All right, so give 12 a try.